So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to solve your problem, and that is if you import your video in your DaVinci Resolve and it says media offline. As here you can see, I have imported a screen recording of my phone and here it says media offline. So how to fix this I will tell you in this video. So first of all, as you can see, I have this screen recording here, but in DaVinci Resolve it says media offline. So to fix this, you need another video editing app called CapCut. So simply open the CapCut. After opening the CapCut, you will see an interface like this. Then simply click on this create project button and then you will see interface like this. Simply import your video here and then bring it to the timeline and then go here and press on export and make sure you have this video section selected here and then leave all the default settings here and then click on export and it will export. So let's wait for a bit. Our video is exported, so I will click on the cancel and then I will again go to the DaVinci Resolve and I will select this video here and on keyboard I will press the delete button and then I will import the video that I exported from CapCut here. As you can see, this is the video 0213. I will open it and boom, you can see the offline media problem is solved. So that's it. If you liked this video, then please consider subscribing my channel.